Hello friends, welcome to the another video of KUKA system manual. Today we're going to discuss about the safety of this product. So let's continue. General safety, liability. The device described in this document is either an industrial robot or a component thereof. Components of the industrial robot: manipulator, robot controller, teach pendant, connecting cables, external access. Example are linear unit, turn tilt table, positioner, software, options, accessories. The industrial robot is built using state-of-the-art technology and in accordance with the recognized safety rules. Nevertheless, misuse of the industrial robot may constitute a risk to life and limb or cause damage to the industrial robot and to other material property. The industrial robot may only be used in perfect technical condition in accordance with its intended use and only by safety conscious persons who are fully aware of the risk involved in its operation. Use of the industrial robot is subject compliance with this document and with the declaration of incorporation supplied together with the industrial robot. Any functional disorder affected the safety of the industrial robot must be rectified immediately. Safety information. Safety information cannot be held against KUKA Roboter GmbH even if all safety instructions are followed. This is not a guarantee that the industrial robot will not cause personal injuries or material damage. No modifications may be carried out to the industrial robot without the authorization of KUKA Roboter GmbH. Additional components, tools, software, etc. not supplied by KUKA Roboter GmbH may be integrated into the industrial robot. The user is liable for any damage these components may cause to the industrial robot or to other material property. In addition to the safety chapter, this document contains further safety instructions. These must also be observed. Intended use of the industrial robot. The industrial robot is intended exclusively for the use designated in the purpose chapter of the operating instructions or assembly instructions. Further information is contained in the purpose chapter of the operating instructions or assembly instruction of the industrial robot. Using the industrial robot for any other or additional purpose is considered impermissible misuse. The manufacturer cannot be held liable for any damage resulting from such use. The risk lies entirely with the user. Operating the industrial robot and its options within the limits of the intended use also involves observance of the operating and assembly instructions for individual components with particular reference to the maintenance specifications. Misuse. Any use or application deviating from the intended use is deemed to be impermissible use. This includes example, transportation of persons and animals, use as a climbing aid, operation outside the permissible operating parameters, use in potentially explosive environments, operation without additional safeguards, outdoor operation, EC declaration of conformity and declaration of incorporation. This industrial robot constitutes partly completed machinery as defined by the EC Machinery Directive. The industrial robot may only be put into operation if the following preconditions are met. The industrial robot is integrated into a complete system, or the industrial robot together with the other machinery constitutes a complete system, or all safety functions and safeguards required for operation in the complete machinery as defined by the EC Machinery Directive have been added to the industrial robot. The complete system complies with the EC Machinery Directive. This has been confirmed by means of an assessment of conformity. Declaration of conformity. The system integrator must issue a declaration of conformity for the complete system in accordance with the Machinery Directive. The declaration of conformity forms the basis for the CE mark for the system. The industrial robot must be operated in accordance with the applicable national laws, regulations and standards. The robot controller is CE certified under the EMC directive and the low voltage directive. Declaration of incorporation. The industrial robot as partly completed machinery is supplied with a declaration of incorporation in accordance with Annex 2B of the EC Machinery Directive 2006/42/EC. The assembly instructions and a list of essential requirements complied within accordance with Annex 1 are integral parts of this declaration of incorporation. The declaration of incorporation declares that the startup of the partly completed machinery remains impermissible until the partly completed machinery has been incorporated in the machinery or has been assembled with other parts to form machinery, and this machinery complies with the terms of the EC Machinery Directive, and the EC Declaration of Conformity is present in accordance with Annex 2A. The Declaration of Incorporation, together with its annexes, remains with the system integrator as an integral part of the technical documentation of the complete machinery. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we're going to discuss about the terms used in the safety purpose. Thank you.